Hey guys, I'm so sorry. My part 2 of my slime video did not come out, so we're doing it again. I need to go get my slime on light. Slime on I need to get this stuff in there. Okay. What's the thing? Okay. Next, I need to add some borax, whatever. Okay. It's enough now. Where's the spoon? There it is. Okay. It's coming together. It's coming together. I'm mixing it with my hands now. I'll get some of this. I realize for a little bit more noise. Okay. So I found my spoon now. Okay, now it's all stuck. Okay, I think that's enough now. It's still kind of sticky. I think I overactivated it though, but it's still good. If you have really shitty slime, that means it's gonna have nice slime. If you just need it, it's kind of stretchy. Very stretch. Okay, and let's move all this out of here. Let's do a perfect test. So, I'll get you guys on the floor. Okay, so see? Not that good on poking, but kind of good on stretching. Kind of good. So I just need to poke. Ooh, what's that? I think that's nothing. It's really good slime. Yeah, so I've got a container. I can just put it in there. And that's a big container, but it spreads, so I want it to do that. And if you want it to, if you want to make like any clear slime, or like slime that I'm making now, you have to wait one more day. Wait a minute, guys. Okay, no. There's some more from here, and I had to trap it. I didn't kill it. It's under here. That lid. Yeah. So I got it in there. Thank you so much for watching, and I'm sorry that my other video didn't come out properly though, but like, subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and I think I already said that in the other video though, but yeah, so bye.